And the next weather forecast, lots of potentially scary weather out there, Andrew.
Yeah, we already have a watch across the entire area. Not a severe thunderstorm watch. We have a tornado watch, which really by association includes the severe thunderstorm outbreak. But we right now are not looking at anything in the city. Scanning the skies, it's really going to be out toward the west. Let me move the map a little bit and you can see plenty of not just rain, but look at all the lightning barbs. This is real-time data with cloud to ground lightning that we're seeing across portions of West Virginia and then over toward Pennsylvania. This is going to be a very big deal as we head into the evening. We do have an area of some clouds and some sun, and even that filtered sunshine here that I circled is not the best news for us. It's like adding fuel to the fire. You need south winds. We've got that. You need plenty of moisture in the air, humidity. We have that, and you need a little bit of instability, and we're seeing plenty of that as we head into the late afternoon. Because of this, the severe risk today is pretty elevated. Across Philadelphia, we are in the enhanced risk. That's about a 3 out of 5. Just a note, we don't see this that often during a spring and summer season, maybe 1 or 2 times. This is certainly one of the most potent setups that we've seen so far this season in an already busy season, as you know. And then just to our south and our west, we're in the moderate risk, which is a 4. This could be a very big deal for areas down toward D.C. and Baltimore. In the meantime, for us, tornado watch is in effect. It went in effect about an hour and a half ago, and it goes all the way through 11 p.m. It does include Philadelphia, all of South Jersey, and much of the Jersey Shore, and of course, all the counties that we cover here in Pennsylvania. Of course, we talked about the instability. We have the humidity. Take a look at the actual temperatures. 87 in Philly, 87 in Wilmington, 90 in Dover. Then you factor in the humidity, and it feels a lot hotter than that. 94 is what it feels like outside in Philly, 97 in Wilmington. The only relief up toward the Poconos where it only feels in the 70s. Let's get right to it. Timing. As we get closer to 5 o'clock, we're already looking at the storms out west approaching the area. And I'll tell you, this is actually what is happening now. So this is pretty good when it comes to how this model is initializing. Let's go to 6 o'clock. Those first storms that we're tracking now just across Lancaster and areas west, they're moving toward Philadelphia by 6. We'll move into the area between 6:30 and 7. That's round 1. You might say, okay, that doesn't look so bad, but this is going to be the main event. After about 8 o'clock, these storms make a beeline for Philly, and you see where we go from basically nothing to a lot of those deeper reds and oranges. That very thin area there from nothing to a lot means that we potentially could be looking at some very gusty winds, damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Up to 9 o'clock, the heart of the city getting in on it, central and southern New Jersey. Then we're looking at the Jersey Shore by 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. It is out of here with maybe some patchy fog as we head toward your Tuesday morning. Travel delays. Obviously, we're going to have a high impact from that. Already a ground stop reported at Philadelphia International. Power outages, I think we'll see some widespread ones across the area. Sports will be delayed for this evening, and flying debris, a pretty good chance, especially if we get underneath some of those heavy gusty winds and tornado warnings. Again, I don't want to scare you. I want to prepare you for what's ahead. We're going to make it through, and thankfully, we still have some time now to get ourselves all set up for what's coming this evening. 70 degrees tonight, rain and storms and late clearing. Here is your 7-day forecast now. No next weather alert days in the next 7 days, at least right now. Wednesday's great. Thursday, a couple of thunderstorms. We'll have to watch that closely. Friday's going to be a great way to end the week after a busy start. And then Saturday and Sunday, we could see a late shower Saturday into early Sunday. But overall, the weekend is looking hot, quiet, and most importantly, dry. Guys?
All right. Thank you very much, Andy.